In the quest for a bright, healthy smile, most of us reach for toothpaste without a second thought. It's a staple in our daily routine, a trusted ally in the battle against plaque and cavities. But what if I told you that your favorite toothpaste might be secretly undermining your oral health? Imagine finding out that something you use every day could be causing more harm than good. Let's start with sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS, a common ingredient in many toothpastes. SLS is what makes your toothpaste foam up, giving you that clean, frothy feeling. But here's the catch. SLS can irritate your gums and increase tooth sensitivity. For some people, this irritation turns brushing from a pleasant routine into an uncomfortable ordeal. So while you might think you're cleaning your teeth, you could be inadvertently causing gum issues and discomfort. And then there's fluoride. This mineral is famous for its cavity-fighting properties, and many dentists recommend it for protecting teeth. However, excessive fluoride can lead to dental fluorosis, which causes unsightly white spots and weakens tooth enamel. The balance between effective fluoride use and overexposure is delicate, and most people are unaware they might be tipping that scale. But the potential damage doesn't end with these ingredients. Toothpaste can sometimes alter the pH balance in your mouth, making it more acidic. This acidic environment is a playground for harmful bacteria that can erode enamel and cause cavities. If you're sipping on sugary drinks or snacking throughout the day, this problem can be exacerbated, leading to quicker tooth decay and damage. The dangers extend beyond toothpaste. Consider energy drinks and sodas. These beverages are not just high in sugar but also packed with acids that erode tooth enamel. The harm from these drinks isn't just theoretical, it's real and noticeable. Even habits like vaping and smoking introduce substances that dry out your mouth, disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria, and create an environment ripe for tooth decay. Medications like Adderall, often used for focus and attention, can reduce saliva production. Saliva is your mouth's natural defense mechanism against harmful bacteria, so a decrease in saliva leaves your teeth more vulnerable. This combination of dry mouth and increased bacterial activity can speed up the decay process significantly. So what's the solution? How can you protect your teeth and avoid the hidden dangers lurking in conventional toothpaste? Here are some innovative and natural alternatives to consider. 1. Natural toothpastes. Switch to natural toothpastes that skip harsh chemicals and focus on gentle, effective ingredients. Look for products that are free from sodium lauryl sulfate and use natural abrasives like baking soda. These alternatives clean your teeth effectively without the irritation and sensitivity caused by traditional toothpaste. 2. DIY toothpaste. Feeling adventurous? Create your own toothpaste at home. Mix baking soda with water to form a paste. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that helps clean teeth and neutralize acids. For added freshness, include a few drops of peppermint essential oil. This DIY solution is both economical and effective, providing a gentler brushing experience. 3. Oil pulling. Embrace the ancient practice of oil pulling. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes can reduce harmful bacteria and promote gum health. This natural method also helps whiten teeth and is an excellent addition to your oral care routine. It's simple and effective. Just swish, spit, and rinse. 4. Saltwater rinse. A high salt concentration solution is a powerful mouth rinse. Dissolve salt in warm water to create a rinse that helps balance the pH in your mouth. This simple remedy can reduce inflammation, kill bacteria, and promote overall oral health. Just swish and spit, no need to swallow. 5. Xylitol products. Xylitol, a natural sweetener, is a game changer for oral health. Unlike sugar, xylitol doesn't feed harmful bacteria. Instead, it prevents bacteria from producing the acids that cause tooth decay. Look for xylitol in chewing gums and mouthwashes to keep your mouth clean and fresh. 6. Essential oils. Add essential oils like tea tree or clove to your oral care routine. These oils have natural antibacterial properties and can help freshen your breath. Simply add a few drops to your toothpaste or mouth rinse for an extra boost of cleanliness and protection. 7. Intermittent fasting. Consider intermittent fasting as a way to promote oral health. By allowing breaks between meals, you give your mouth a chance to neutralize acids and remineralize your teeth naturally. This practice not only benefits your overall health, but also supports a healthier mouth. 8. Gentle brushing techniques. Brushing smart is just as important as brushing regularly. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and gentle circular motions to clean your teeth. Avoid brushing too hard, which can wear down enamel and irritate your gums. Proper brushing technique can make a significant difference in your oral health. 9. Choose the right mouthwash. If you use mouthwash, opt for alcohol-free versions. Alcohol can dry out your mouth and disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria. Look for mouthwashes that offer antibacterial benefits without the harsh effects of alcohol. 10. Regular dental checkups. No matter how well you care for your teeth at home, regular dental visits are crucial. Dentists can catch issues early and provide professional cleanings that are essential for maintaining oral health. Routine checkups complement your home care efforts and ensure your smile stays in top shape. Your smile is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it should be a priority. By understanding the potential risks of conventional toothpaste and exploring healthier alternatives, you can maintain a radiant smile without the hidden dangers. Share these insights with your friends and family, because everyone deserves to know how to care for their teeth effectively. The next time you reach for that tube of toothpaste, remember that there are smarter, healthier options available. Make the switch today, and your teeth will thank you for it.